My name is Berk Kasimcan. I'm originally from Turkey. I'm a bioengineering student concentrating in systems and devices. I chose bioengineering for various reasons, from the newest faculty that we have to the tools that we use for tissue engineering and also mechanical engineering as well. As an immigrant, I really struggled with adaptation but also understanding the culture in US. One issue that I had was actually, talking to people, getting out of my comfort zone and making friends. I was afraid to learn, a new language in a new culture in a new area. When I decided to come to Mason, I was amazed by the diversity program, but also the student body as well. Honestly, I've done so many things when it comes to Mason student organization. One amazing thing that I love about Mason is actually the club sports that we have, because once I came here, I thought there's only D1 teams that, high level athletes can play. But once my friends introduced me to, playing in club sports, they actually taught me, you can do whatever you want to do with your friends. During that 1 year, I had an amazing time, connecting with people, celebrating wins, but also, grieving those losses as well. After graduation, I'm planning to continue with the accelerated master's program that I got in during my undergrad studies. After I finish my master's program, I'm planning to continue with post-traumatic injury treatments and robotics for people who suffered drastic injuries. I deeply believe Mason Nation is something to grow with and, help people to understand what diversity and personal improvement is.